Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Habibi's Cryptos and NFTs. We are back at the dealership with another video. And by the way, don't forget to check out my merch. This thing's going crazy. This is just one of the items we just dropped on my store. Make sure you take a peek just for me. You feel me? Let's go. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about a new vehicle we just got. We're gonna do a little review, a quick walk around the vehicle, talk about the options it has. We just got it in. This is the 2017 Lexus RX 350 SUV. I'm talking full luxury. It's got sports mode, it's got heated seats, air conditioned seats, navigation, backup camera. It is luxurious. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right. Check her out, guys. This is it. This is the 2017 Lexus RX 350. This is one of my favorite luxurious SUVs. This is one of the top of the line that Lexus has for the SUVs. Let's go. And this is a midsize, believe it or not. Let's go ahead and take a look here in the driver's seat. Once you get in the front seat, it's almost like you just entered a spaceship. I mean, this thing has all the options, and the dash, the heads-up display. You'll be able to see how fast you're going, the speed limit for the street, all on the glass right in front of you. We're gonna go ahead and start her up. All right, we are in the vehicle. Let me go ahead and turn this air down a little bit. Look at this cockpit view, okay? This is what I like to see when I sit in a car. It's just a beautiful view in here. It's just relaxing. The seats are comfortable. I'm super spacious and I have a lot of room. There's a lot of things with this vehicle that you wouldn't even notice. I don't know if you guys see that or not, but right there on the glass you have the heads-up display, which tells you how fast you're going and the speed limit in the street. Other things that I'm just going to point out real quick: you have your seat adjustment memory, so you can adjust if there's a person that wants a particular way that they sit. They can adjust it and save it and set it there. You got your power windows, power locks, your mirror controls. You have your heated steering wheel. You have your auto fog lights, your rear lift gate, your heads-up display, and your camera views all right here. Okay. You will also have your Bluetooth pairing for your phone, the volume, changing tracks for the songs, answer and hang up here on the steering wheel. You have your horn, more navigation for the dashboard, along with the blind spot modifications for the blind spot monitor. Over here you will have the push start button, and we're getting over to the shift knob, the gear knob. So right here it's just as easy as 1, 2, 3, put it in drive and go. If you move it over to the left, now you are in sports mode. So then when you are in sports mode, you can either go back to shift down or forward to shift up, and that will be the sports mode, which is really cool. It actually has some power. The different driving modes are actually going to be right here. As you see, if you push this down, you will be normal drive mode. If you go to the left, you will be in eco mode, and if you go to the right, you will be in sports mode. This button will turn off the traction control. Keep in mind, when you go ahead and press this, you will have a normal setting there. When you turn this to the left, it'll say eco mode. When you turn it to the right, it will say sports mode. Just like that, you will have all your options for the vehicle there. We're gonna leave it in normal mode. Coming here to the front, we have some more options. You have your heated seats for the driver and passenger, along with the air conditioned seats for the driver and passenger, along with your parking brake right here, electric. Everything's really easy to use and very this is like a SD memory card area right here, along with a cigarette lighter charger. All your AC climate controls, very straightforward. your volume knob, your tune scroll, the tracks, radio, media outputs. But to navigate in this vehicle, the main control to use the screen up top is gonna be right here. This is your navigation, I mean, to move around in the whole vehicle. This is like a mouse right here, guys. This is really cool. When you do that, it will move around here in the menu to adjust what you want. So if we want to go to the map, you'll just click this map. You'll have the navigation map pop right up along with your AC controls. You put the car in reverse, you'll have your backup camera pop up with the cameras alongside the whole vehicle all around. If you go to menu here, let's go ahead and press menu. You will go straight to the menu dashboard, which will allow you to put your destination in, go to the radio, listen to music, your climate controls, setup, phone, info, etc. Okay? Other than that, this is one of my favorite things about the vehicle, guys. Wow. It's that panoramic roof, okay? This thing is sweet. It even has the tint shades, so when you don't want to get hit by the sun, it's gonna go ahead and open and close right there for you, super easy. This vehicle is also hooked up with premium surround sound speakers all the way through the top of the vehicle, on the doors, and all around the vehicle, which the sound quality is, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. The Lexus RX 350 has premium sound that just sounds out of this world. Well, since we went over pretty much all the options, this is just a little storage compartment right here. Looks like you have a aux cord, 2 USBs, and another 12-volt charging port right there. And you could just tell that this vehicle is luxury, guys, and it is fully loaded. You have all the options, everything you could think of, and it is top of the line. I hope you guys enjoyed going over the vehicle, all the options it has, and stay tuned. We're gonna go for a little drive. Let's check it out. And we're off. All right, we're gonna just go for a quick spin real quick and just give you guys the POV point of view while we drive this beautiful 2017 Lexus RX 350. And we're off. I'm gonna go ahead and put my seatbelt on. Wow, look at that. This thing is so smooth. You would not even imagine. If you're considering buying a Lexus, man, go for it. These are reliable. They run forever. Toyota, Lexus, pretty much the same thing. And they're luxurious, guys. Right now I have the panoramic roof all closed up. Press of a button, it's gonna come all the way back. Wow, I love the look of it. The steering wheel, the wood grain is just another touch that I just really love. It feels really good. It's a really smooth feeling, and yeah, this vehicle just feels great. Everything's super smooth. Let's go ahead and take a ride right here. Step on it a little bit. There we go. Really nice. So right now I'm just driving on normal mode. I'm gonna go ahead and actually go switch to sports. As you can see, sport came up there, and also at the top it says sport. So now when you're in sports mode, the car is just a little more responsive. That's it. Like when you click on the gas, it's just gonna pretty much have a higher rev point where it's gonna shift that. It's gonna let the vehicle speed up to the desired speed quicker and faster. And just remember, you can also use the paddle shifters, which if you just put it in sport, it's gonna be already in sports mode. You won't have to actually manually shift the gears unless you put it in sports mode like that. So now when it's in sports mode like that, now I have full control over the gears. I'm in second, stays in second, third, slow down, bring it back to second. Nice. Speeding up. Shift to third. Nice. This is super smooth. We're actually gonna go right here. Let's go back to the first gear. Whoa. Let's go. Third gear. This is like a race car. Fourth gear. This is awesome. Oh my god, it has so much get up. For an SUV, this is surprising, guys. Wow. Let's get over and head back to the dealership. Wow, that is impressive. Okay, let's get it out of sports mode. And let's head back. This car is amazing. 10 out of 10. Recommended. Let's go. This is the 2017 Lexus RX 350, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're still watching, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. If there's any cars you guys want me to review, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so. And just remember, love one another, respect one another, and live your life. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Let's go. All right, well, I made it back to the dealership, and right off the top, what I want to say about this car is that it drives like a Mercedes-Benz BMW. It's full of luxury. I mean, it is so smooth, you won't even feel any bump on the road. That's what I've noticed about driving it. You put it in sports mode, drives like a race car. I mean, it has the power, has eco mode, normal mode, sports mode. You get to choose how you want to drive the car, if that makes sense. I mean, wow, I'm impressed. This is one of my favorites. I'm over here starting to think about getting one of these. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.